Hello everyone, welcome to Freshers Now YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about IELTS examination. What it is about, what is the content which you'll have, what is the exam pattern, the sections that the examination contains, time frame, and also what are the components that the exam is going to have. We are going to learn in this video. Now, what is IELTS? IELTS is International English Language Testing System. Now, you can register IELTS under British Council or IDP. Either of the sections you can get registered under to. Both the registrations have the same exam format. Now, today we will specifically look into the exam pattern, the time constraints, and how much you should have an idea about the exam. This is all we are going to look into this video. Now, in IELTS, you will have two types of examinations, which is general and academic. General is for the people who are going to take the examination who want PR, that is permanent residence, or looking for a job in an English speaking country. And academic is taken by students or people who want to do their higher studies or any course, any particular course in an English speaking country. Now, you will be tested upon the receptive skills and also the productive skills. Receptive skills in the sense listening and reading. Productive skills in the sense writing and speaking. Please don't panic, and I will give you all the structure and the format of the examination and also the time frame. What are the questions that you'll have. As we go further, we will also see some of the examples which you will eventually get an idea about the exam. Now let us look into the format. Now, listening is for 30 minutes. You will have 40 questions. Reading is for 60 minutes. You will have 40 questions. Writing for academic, you will have 60 minutes. It will contain two tasks. Task 1, you will have graphs, pie diagram, or a bar chart. Any of the three, they'll be giving only one. You have to answer that one question. There will be no choice to pick your questions. Task 2, you will be given an essay. Essay, for example, disadvantages or advantages, giving your opinions, agree or disagree to a particular question. Remember that there is no choice in the questions. There will be only one question given to you. You have to answer that one question. You have to answer task 1 and also task 2. For writing general, which is if you are applying for PR or jobs, that comes under general, as I have mentioned. That it will be for 60 minutes, same two tasks, but you will have letter instead of graph, and essay is the same. Okay. Now speaking, it will be 11 to 14 minutes. You will have 3 sections, which is introduction, cue card, and discussion. Introduction, they will be asking you about yourself and some of the very basic and general questions. Cue card, they will be giving you a pen and a paper, and they'll give you a question where and also you'll be given 1 minute of time to frame your answers, and then they'll give you another minute of time to tell your answer to them. The discussion session will be all about generalizing the questions about the cue card. So this on the whole is your exam format. Now, when this will be taking place? After your registration, you will be given a date for the examination. For listening, reading and writing, all these three for 2.5 hours, it will be conducted on the same day at a stretch, no breaks. Writing will be conducted 7 days prior or 7 days after your registration. It can be before listening, reading and writing examination day, or it can be after the written exam. So this is your format, and in the further videos we are going to look about each section, some of the tips which you have to learn or implement for the IELTS exam. For more videos about IELTS, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, like and share to your friends whoever are taking this exam anytime soon. If you have any doubts or if you need any clarification, please make sure you comment down below in the comment section so that we will know and answer your queries as soon as possible. All the very best from Freshers Now. Thank you.